Good morning students, welcome to the online class of grammar. Today we are going to start chapter number 9, articles. Now what is articles? All of you know a an or the are called the articles. Now see here students, everything floats here. I will have an apple. I feel like having a sandwich. Packing the noodles was a bad idea. Now here GT is talking something, Grandma is talking something, and Post is also talking about something. Now here GT is having apple, so we are saying an apple. Everything floats here. I will have an apple. So everything floats in the space, so GT will have an apple. I feel like I am having a sandwich. So sandwich is there. A is used, a sandwich, and for apple an is used, and for noodles the is used. Why? Because these are all the articles. Okay, now let us study in details where you have to use these articles. Okay, articles. Notice the word in bold: an apple, a sandwich, the noodles. A, an, and the are called articles. They are words used before common nouns to tell us their quantity. This also tells us whether we are taking whether we are talking about a particular noun or any noun in general. Now students, see here, a and the are called the articles, and we are using as per the articles. These are the words used before common nouns to tell us the quantity. For telling the quantity, the articles are used. Okay, whether it is in singular form or a plural form. Okay, they also tells us whether we are talking about a particular noun or any noun in general. So it says a quantity that it is whether it is one or more than one. So let us see where a and n are used. A and n. A is used before common nouns that are singular and begin with a consonant sound. Consonant sound are those that are not vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u. For example, Grandma is eating a sandwich. Now a is used other than vowels. It is used before consonant sound. All of you know consonant sound other than a, e, I, o, u. Okay. Now an. An is used before common nouns that are singular and begin with the vowels sound. Here are the vowels a, e, I, o, u. For example, GT is eating an apple. Now an is used before vowel and a is used before consonants. Okay, so what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U, and what are the consonants other than E, I, O, U sounds? All are consonants. While using a or an before a noun, always pay attention to the sound that the noun begins with, not the spelling. For example, the word uniform begins with a vowel but not a vowel sound. Uniform. So therefore we say Mary has an uncle. There is a uniform hanging by the door. So here we have to see the sound. Okay, uncle is there. Okay, uniform is there. Okay, so remember a and o both means one. Okay, the is used to talk about a particular place, things, or idea. We use the with particular countable and uncountable nouns. The scientists, the information, the news. Now where we use the is used to talk about a particular person, thing, or an idea. With particular, countable, and uncountable, both nouns we can come under the. We can say the scientist, we can say the scientist also. The information, the news. Okay, to refer to something which has already been mentioned. A girl read about a scientist's work. The girl liked what the scientist has done. Now here is a girl is repeated. So first we have to a girl, then we have used the girl because it is repeated. A scientist, the scientist. Okay, so it is referred here. So which are repeated there, that also which are already mentioned in a sentence, there also the is used to refer to objects that are only one of its kinds, means there are none other than its own. Okay, the sun, the stars, the world, the sky, they are only one of their type. Okay, so they are referred as the. With adjectives to refer to a group of people. If group of people is like the Indians, the English, the young, the vegetarians, so group of people are also referred as the. With names of geographical areas like name of islands, mount ranges, oceans and desert, etc. We can say the Lakshadweep Islands, the Sahara Desert, the Indian Oceans. So these are the group geographical names given to name of islands, any mountain ranges are there, oceans are there, deserts are there, etc. Now before the names of famous buildings, okay, that is the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China. Before the religious books, newspaper and magazine. Okay, so these are the use, we are said Bible, the Gita, the Quran, the Indian Express, the Times. Okay, so these are the words where we are using the. So the is the article used for a special objects, sorry, special name or a group of name or geographical areas, famous building, religious book, newspaper and magazine. Okay, now let us begin with our exercise A. Complete the following conversations using suitable articles. Ritvik, ma'am, what things do I need to keep ready before I start preparing to bake a cake? Chief Chef Meena, you will need a sieve, an egg beater, a ladle, a bowl, a set of measuring spoons, a baking tin, an oven, and yes, an apron. Now here you can see where is the vowels here? A. So an egg beater, ladle, a ladle, a bowl, a set, a baking tin, an oven. So vowel is there O, so an is used, and yes, an apron. So apron also an we are going to use. Now going with our exercise B1, add a or an in the blanks before them. So a European tour, European tour. So E is there, A is there, E is there. So European tour. So we are not saying European, we are saying European. So here A will become because European is there, European tour. Okay. Now next one is a kite. So in the first European tour is there, so we are seeing European, so it is an A we are going to use. Second one is kite, so a kite, lamp, a lamp, clock, a clock, insect. Now here I sound is coming, insect, E, I sound is coming, so an insect, igloo. So an igloo, a one way street. So here O sound is not coming, one V sound is coming, one way street. Okay, so A will come. An adult, banda, so A sound is coming here. An aeroplane, so A sound is coming. An octopus, so O sound is coming. An iceberg, so N I sound is coming. An English, so E sound is coming, so we are saying English here. An hour, so here you can see A E I O U. So H here you can say here it is not, here we can say hour. So H is silent, we are saying we are not using, we are using the O sound, hour. Guitar, so a guitar. An encyclopedia, so E sound is coming. And a house, so here no vowel sound is coming. An exercise, so E sound is coming. So sound you have to see and you have to use the articles as per the requirement. Okay, see exercise, fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. First one, there is dash monkey in the garden, dash monkey is looking for food. So here a monkey, the monkey, because here it is a monkey is a consonant, so a we are using, and for second time monkey is repeated, so we are using the here. Okay. Second one, we could see dash stars very clearly in the hills. We will say the star because it is a unique name. Stars are of one of its kind. Okay. Third one, Jasmine went to dash island in the Indian Ocean to study the plants there. So where did the Jasmine went? In island. So I we are saying, okay, I word is coming, so N. The Indian Ocean to study the plants. Indian Ocean is also is a type, so we are using the here. Fourth one, mother was reading dash Hindustan Times when I left for school. So we are saying the Hindustan Times because it is the famous magazine here. Okay, students. So this was our exercise C1. Now let us quickly revise what we have learnt. So students, we have learnt here a, an and the are articles, and we have to use a before the consonant sound, that is other than a e i o u, and n sound where vowel is used, that is a e i o u. Okay, and one thing we have to remember, that when we are reading the spellings, it must make an vowel sound. For example, a, e, I, O, U. So these are the sounds that has to be make. For example, here you can see the method is given uniform. So here uniform is there. Uniform. Okay, uniform. Okay. So U sound is not coming. That is the uncle. Okay, uncle is there. A sound is makes na when you are saying U. So U sound is make. So uniform is not a sound. Okay, so we are using a uniform. Okay, so that is the word must come. Okay, before pronunciation. The we are using for countable and both countable nouns to for a particular person, thing or idea. If it a thing a name is repeated, we are using the. A girl, the girl. A scientist, the scientist. We are using the for objects of its only one kind, that is the sun, the stars, the world, the sky, and we are using the adjective to refer to a whole group of people. The Indians, the English, the young, the vegetarians. Group of people we are using the here. And for geographical areas like Lakshadweep Island, the Sahara Desert, the Indian Ocean, name of island or mountain ranges, oceans or desert, we are using the here. Okay. And before the name of famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China. So like famous buildings we can say here. Before the names of religious books like the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, these are the religious books, we are using the for them. And for famous newspaper like the Indian Express, and the magazine, that is like the Times. These are all the things to remembered. Okay, so you need to remember where you have to put a, and or the articles where you have to use. Okay, so this for our video on chapter number 9. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me in the live class. So that's all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.